I've noticed a problem, boys. You're both allowing your heightened energy to leak out of you. You must keep it within your body to maximize your power and keep your opponent in the dark. It's hard to believe they progressed so far in such little time. I'm beginning to understand what Beerus sees in these Saiyans.
Yeah, what's going on? Sounds like a damn screaming contest.
My lord, I didn't believe you would be up this early.
What do you expect? Have you seen these ears?
Hi, Lord Beerus. What's up? Whoa, talk about a sneeze. Good thing it missed us. I definitely wasn't ready for that.
Yeah, clearly we need to stay on guard around here.
It's just a moon this time, so we won't need a do-over.
Now that I think about it, what are you two punch jockeys doing on my world anyway?
We asked Whis to train us, and he was nice enough to agree.
Yes, Say, and I figured that much. I'm not a fool. What I mean is, how did you two get here from Earth?
It wasn't too hard. We just asked Whis to give us a ride.
Is that a fact? Then let me guess. All it took to get on his good side was something high in calories.
I honestly don't remember.
Yes, that's pretty much it.
Then why is it so important to build your strength, Saiyans, huh? I hope this training isn't your secret way of gunning for the job of Destroyer.
Oh, no way. I'd never want your job. All I want is to get stronger.
And I'm training because I don't want this clown to leave me in the dust.
What are you talking about? You're the one who came here first without saying anything and got the jump on me.
Only because you were too dumb to think of it.
It never ceases to amaze me how terribly you two get along.